In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk lid lift supports on this Audi A4. These are going to be located at the base of the trunk lid. Let's get into it. Using a pick, just get under the clip right here. You could also use a straight blade screwdriver. Just pop that clip back, and then the whole support slides out. We'll do the same on the bottom one. Just push down. Slide that off. Take the new one, get the bottom started. You just push it on. You might have to twist it a little bit. Line that up. Lock that in place. You can always do the same for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.